Hello everyone, you are welcome to the Legendary Network space. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make good use of your TradingView. First, you have to go to, if you're using your desktop, go to tradingview.com, log in your account, sign up, and what we see here, we have various space. You can actually trade stocks, indices, forex currencies, cryptocurrencies, and so what we are going to be doing is deleting every single page we are not going to make use of. So I would be deleting each one I'm not going to be using and add the ones I'm going to be using in my trading journey. And before you can do this, make sure you have signed up, make sure you've registered so you can be able to set up your account properly. Okay, now all I have to do now is to add the page I would be trading. Just click on that plus under the watch list. Then I'll search for the pair I want to use. All these brokers are partnered with TradingView. Sorry about that. So all I have to do is just search for the pair I want to use. For me, I love using Forex.com. It's a platform that also partner with TradingView. And let me add another pair, which is €USD. I'll use this in Forex.com. Then for crypto, I love using Coinbase, so I'll be using Coinbase. I'll add Coinbase. So right now I've added 3 pairs to my watch list. So what I'll do next is to go to TradingView/charts to be able to see the charts. Alright, so right now we editing my charts to my own liking. You can play with yours too. So I'll just have to go to the settings. Then I go to Canva. Yeah, I can choose whatever color I want. So for those that love black, you can change yours to black. For those that love white, you can change yours to white. So you can just play around it with, in your free time, just play around it and use the one that suits you more. Alright, so you see, for me, I love white, pure white, so I'll be changing it back to pure white. Yeah, I love it pure. Yeah. So what next I'll be doing, I'll be changing the color of the candlestick, right? Candles. I'll be using blue and black. So I'll be using blue as my bullish candle. So I'll be changing every single or the green, the ones that are green, I'll be changing them to blue, each one of them. And my bearish candle will be black. Yeah, I love it this way. So right now, what we have this time frame. We have various type of time frame we can make use of. So I'll be adding the time frames I make good use of. I'll be using daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes. These are the time frames I personally make good use of. Okay. Then what we have here is we have various type of candles. You can see, or we make trading video for my or we make use of Japanese candlestick. Yes. So let me now add the tools I'll be using for my analysis. I make use of trend line. You can add any tools you use here. I make use of trend line. I make use of horizontal line. Okay, I make use of long position and short position. Okay, I think one more is remaining. Yes, rectangle. There you are. So I don't need parts here. But these are the essential tools I make good use of in my trading. Nothing more. I don't use Fibonacci, but if you use Fibonacci, you can also add it there. You can look for it at your uh tools. Right now, I want to change the colors of the trend lines. All my tools to black. The taste to black, and the size of the trend line. Yeah, I love it this way. I will change your horizontal line as well to black as well. All right, then my rectangle. I can't use pink, so let's change the rectangle color as well to something that is neutral. All right. Then what next? We're changing. Let's this way. I'll be changing the short position and okay, this long position, right? So since I'm using blue as my bullish candle, I'll be changing the side that signals profit to blue as well. I'll do the same to the short position too. A fatal. All right, so I've used every color. These are the tools I make use of in trading. Okay, these are the tools I make use of in trading. If you use other tools based on your strategy, you can also add them from your toolbox. But let me show you quickly how I will use these tools. All right. So first off, I'll go to the daily time frame. This is my own strategy pattern. Mark out the current trend. Note that you can see that gold is in an uptrend currently, right? So is in an uptrend, giving us a series of higher highs, higher lows right there. Okay. So I'll mark out the recent high using a resistance line where I'm expecting price to actually buy to. And let's check for us. So from this movement, you can see that the market is actually in a clear uptrend movement. All right. And let's go to 15 minutes and see the structure of the market. So if you observe, the market was in a bearish movement before, giving us this is the recent. Look at the market, we have a recent lower high there. All right, a recent lower high there. So I'll mark out the recent lower high. We are expecting price to break past. This is in the 15 minutes time frame, right? Alright, market already broke past that recent lower, giving us an MSS at that level there. So we currently have a change of character or market structure shifts, whichever you call them. So let me add the test MSS. I would love my test to be in the middle, so yeah. So we already have our MSS at that particular level. And currently, after my gave us an MSS, we have liquidity at that particular level there. Inducement is still forming though. Liquidity is not yet complete, it's still forming. So we have liquidity, which is inducement at that particular level. Then probably market might come to this particular POI and start to buy. So I will set my buy position here, then go to 4 hours, daily time frame rather, target that recent high, that particular level. If I'm expecting price to, if price give me solid liquidity there, I'll go to daily time frame, right? I'll be targeting that recent high at that particular level. Yeah, I'll go to 15 minutes, just adjust my take profit that recent high. Because if price is in an uptrend, you give us higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So I'm expecting that price will break past this higher high and give us another a new higher high, right? Break that key level and give us a new higher high. So this is how I make use of my trading view. So in your whole leisure time, you can also play with your trading view, set it. You don't have to make your chart to be complicated. Make it simple, keep it simple, and trust me, we liquidate a lot of money from the market as well. As long as you stick to your strategy, you stick to what works for you. All right. So this is the easy way to actually set a trading view app, and how to add your tools, how to change your colors, your graphic, and so this is how you work with it. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching down to this moment. Ciao.